Obesity is rising across the globe, and it's not just about food. One of the most powerful tools we have to fight it is movement. Yes, physical activity. Whether you are dancing in your living room or cycling through your neighborhoods, every step counts. Physical activity can help prevent obesity. It's essential for maintaining a healthy weight and prevent chronic diseases. That's just over 20 minutes a day. Easy to fit in with a brisk walk, dance sessions, or even gardening. For children, the goal is higher 60 minutes every day. Let them run, jump, play, or explore. It's how they grow strong physically and mentally. Physical activity boosts metabolism, improves mood, and strengthens muscles. But most importantly, it helps prevent obesity before it starts. So let's move more, sit less, and inspire others to do the same. Your body deserves it. Your future depends on it.